Hi, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. This area right here is going to be where we have a metal and reinforced door. And this area right here between this block and that block, we're gonna have a double door system here. So you'll walk in from the hallway, open up the door, which will be a solid steel and concrete door. And then you'll walk over to the other side, and right here, there's gonna be a decontamination area. So you'll be able to turn on the water, clean yourself out, because this is a bunker, and this bunker is built for the sole purpose of if there's radiation. Now, some people say that something like that's not going to exist, but it doesn't really matter. The Basement Kings builds them anyway. So this area is a bunker with reinforcement, thinking about just in case if there's radiation, and this area is going to be it. There's going to be a door here, and this is where the steel is. It's going to be our secondary door, and it's all going to be tied into the system. So once we build our blocks, we put in our doors and our reinforcement, we'll show you what it looks like when we're finished. So come on out. If you ever get a chance, come out to see our Lone Oak project. This is going to be a very nice sized bunker. Come see us.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe, follow, like, or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.